participating in the spring deck party, and my name is Julia, and welcome to Accessorize Your Life. And I will show you my table. First you'll see the before pictures, and then you'll see the after pictures. Here is my table. The chairs have been washed. I have not used the usual spray paint on them yet because it's such a cloudy day. We really thought we were going to get rain, so I didn't do that yet. But I have added faux flowers to the pot because I don't have any flowers up yet. But I've added my cushions that I always have. I cleaned the carpet. Outdoor carpet, because I left it out all winter long, and you saw the chairs that I cleaned. Here are my flowers that I got from the dollar store and put into a picture. I added lemons to the table and lemon sliced napkins along with a Temptation dishware in melanin. I have my favorite wine chilling. I'll show you part of the garden. And here's the table set. I just grilled chicken kebabs for the family, but they don't like to eat outside too often. So even though this is a lovely night for it, it's overcast and threatening rain, but they chose to stay inside and have their dinner. I'm going to back up so you can see the whole table. Coming in, and I don't have my umbrella open, still down, and I'm working out in my yard over there, and I'll show you this little area here where I sit. I'm working on my fountain in the back. My blackberry bush is coming up, and those are the kebabs that I grill. And again, I'll show it to you. Spring deck party collab, hosted by Juani, enjoyed by me, Julia, from Accessorize Your Life. Coming back out.